Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's jump to the video. Question number 9. How is the log, semi-log charts plotted on a chart? The answer is log or semi-log charts have a variable distance to represent the proportionate price movements. Quote number 59. Paul Tudor Jones said, "Trading is very competitive, and you have to be able to handle getting your butt kicked." This means that don't give up just because your trading plan fell apart. You need to learn from that experience and keep going. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.